Welcome to the epitome of luxury living. Step into a meticulously crafted residence, boasting over 1,000 square feet of wraparound terrace that extends your living experience into the outdoors. Revel in spectacular views of the intracoastal waterways, mesmerizing sunrises, sunsets, and the iconic Fort Lauderdale skyline, all within walking distance to the world-famous Fort Lauderdale beach and the vibrant energy of Las Olas Boulevard. This exclusive boutique building, featuring only 2 units per floor, has been professionally decorated and redesigned by an interior designer, ensuring a unique and stylish ambiance. The Italian kitchen is a culinary masterpiece, with upgraded cabinetry, a tiled backsplash, an enormous island, and a custom bar designed for seamless entertainment. Immerse yourself in the beauty of this home, adorned with gorgeous wallpaper and designer light fixtures throughout. It's not just about aesthetics. This residence is equipped with a state-of-the-art smart home system, including brilliant controllers, a Sonos full house sound system, Samsung frame TVs, Somfy auto shades, and more. Experience unparalleled sophistication and comfort in every corner of this thoughtfully curated space, where luxury meets technology for a truly elevated living experience.